and stains and problems, you're going to solve them with a brand new product we've never offered before. Kylie, it's called Powerizer.
It is.
What is it?
So it is a really revolutionary cleaner by one of the most influential cleaning gurus out there that's going to work not only in your laundry, in your dishwasher, on hard surfaces, on soft surfaces, and it's all about replacing all of those other cleaners we have.
Wow.
You've got one product, one formula, and one clean with it.
Okay, so this has never been offered before.
Right.
What do I have? Laundry detergent.
Yes.
Tell me what I have. Bathroom cleaner.
Yes.
I've got cleaner with bleach.
You've got cleaner with bleach.
What do I have here?
You've got window cleaner. You've got tile cleaner. You've got floor
carpet cleaner.
You've got laundry detergent, dishwasher pods. This one bag is going to replace all of that. And
what?
To put it in perspective, Rick, you get 3 pounds, 136 loads of laundry in this one bag. That orange guy that you would normally buy, 3 pounds, only 68. So it's almost double what comes in there.
So if you use it for nothing else but dishwashing, for laundry detergent.
Yes.
Nothing else but laundry detergent, it pays for itself.
Yeah.
Just laundry detergent, but you're saying I could use this for dishwasher.
Yeah.
To clean the carpet.
Yeah.
And so much more.
We're going to show you off.
Seeing is believing. We're live right now. What am I physically getting?
So you're going to get a 3-pound bag of it. You're going to get the squeeze bottle too, because this is a concentrated formula that comes in a powdered form. You activate it with water. So we'll show you how to do that. And then 2 of these incredibly plush microfiber towels. They are so soft and durable.
Wow. Look at the microfiber towels. Worth it for like $10 just for the towels. Let's put it to work. Go for it.
So first demo that we have right here, this is a men's white t-shirt that we cut down. This is red wine. So we're going to just go ahead and we're going to stain this with some red wine here. That is what we call a TikTok stain, not because of the app, but because you've got seconds to get this out. Now, what we're going to do, we don't have a washer, but I'm going to pretend to be a washer. I'm going to take half a teaspoon of the Powerizer, put it in here. I'm going to drop this red wine. Actually, I'll clean up what I had on here with that as well, inside of here. And now pretend I am the washer. In a matter of seconds, I'm going to shake this up and hopefully not get it everywhere. You're going to see immediately it's going to start to neutralize that stain. It's attacking it and lifting it out of those fibers. So in a matter of seconds, and imagine what your washer is going to do. That stain.
Oh, man.
Gone.
That was good.
Completely gone.
That was good. So, can we clarify one thing right off the top? That, first of all, that's amazing. Secondly, the guy who invented this is like, the Henry Ford. What's his name?
His name's Max Apple.
Like he's like the Henry Ford of the cleaning stuff with oxygen and all that kind of stuff.
Yes.
He is the guy. He creates this now.
He came out of retirement to create this product because he didn't want to have something that just boosted your laundry. He wanted something that cleaned multiple areas.
Max Apple creates now Powerizer. Next one, go.
Okay, so red wine and coffee on our carpet right here. Now, if you are going to put it in your bottle, you can see there's your instructions on here. 1 scoop for the kind of lower levels. You can put 2 in here for the heavy duty things. You can see it all lined out for you. Hot water.
Got it.
Okay, so little circular motion right here. What you're going to notice is immediately it's starting to change color. It's reacting to those tannins in that wine, okay? So we're going to just put a little bit on here.
And this is not a booster. This is the solution you use.
Oh, yes.
Highly concentrated. It just for your laundry detergent, it's 136 loads by itself, but now we're using it on the carpet.
So this is what you would do. A little bit on there. You just blot it up in a matter of seconds.
I don't have to buy a carpet cleaner.
Look at how it ate through that.
I'll be doggone.
Emulsifies that. That is that tan carpet with red wine that's been stained on
Could
there.
I mix this into like my Bissell if I wanted to do that?
I would not do that only because of the particulates of the cleaner itself. But what I have done is extracted it out with it.
Good answer.
Yes,
Got it.
Absolutely. So you can see we just blotted up. Seconds, red wine is gone, coffee is gone.
Okay, next one. It's one-time only value. It's 5 payments of $5.40. So look at the $5.40. Look at that. Look at what it replaces.
Yeah.
That's a lot more than 5 payments of $5.40.
Basically,
for what it replaces.
What they say, it's a 6-in-1 replacement for your laundry, so everything you would need for your laundry. A 3-in-1 replacement for your dishwasher, so everything you need, the pods, the rinse aids, all of that stuff. And it's a 10-in-1 replacement for cleaners around your house.
And it's safe on all those things?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, and that's what's crazy about it, because it's a mineral-based cleaner. It has no dyes, no fillers, no phosphates, none of the stuff that you don't want.
And we have never offered it before. It's brand new to QVC, live national television, making its debut right now. Price goes up at the end of the show. Now you're on tile. Now you've got another cleaning solution.
With soap scum. And actually, they independently lab tested this, and what they found was this is going to work better than the leading brands to get rid of soap scum. So you can use this on your hard surfaces. So there's tile.
Got it. Okay. Before you go any further, this is the bag of the stuff.
Yes.
You take one of these scoops. It's actually a big bag. One of the scoops, and it'll give you the directions to mix it with regular water.
Regular water.
Or
I put warm water in there.
Got it. Or your washing machine. What do you got here?
Yeah, so again, another hard surface, so this is great for non-porous surfaces. It could be for the cabinet doors that you have, and all I did was squirt a little bit on that towel, and you can see how it cuts right through that. Again, it uses oranges to scent it to, so it's nothing really overpowering, which I love. So hard surfaces to soft surfaces. One of the places where it really shines is in your dishwasher. So when you put this in, you know sometimes when you open up your dishwasher or your washing machine and it kind of smells a little bit, that's because of that buildup inside of here. If you're finding that your dishes aren't getting clean, the dishwasher or the washing machine. So we can go in here, I'm just wiping this out, and then that coffee stain is gone.
Okay, before we go any further, this is what you're physically getting. You've never seen this before. Created by this guy named Max Apple.
Yes.
You're getting this guy. You're getting how many scoops that will do how many different loads if you just use it as a laundry
You can see it right
detergent.
there on that corner, 136 loads of laundry.
Right.
You will use this every week for your laundry.
And the bottle and the pads, the scrubbing pads coming along with it, the microfibers. Okay, keep it going.
Yeah, okay, so we'll do that wine demonstration if you're just tuning in again. This is going to be incredible as your laundry cleaner right here. So
Any
this is,
scent?
No, it uses oranges, but it's very light. It's nothing overpowering at all, which we love because oftentimes people put those artificial scents inside of that.
Got it.
And then we put that up against our skin. So this is a men's white t-shirt. I'll clean the red wine I got on here. We don't have a washing machine, so I'm going to be the washing machine. Let me just grab my scoop from this one over here. We're going to grab the teeniest, tiniest bit, Rick. I mean, we're talking literally like half a teaspoon of this. In the water it goes, okay? In this goes. You can use this to pre-treat. So if you can't wash right away, just keep it in that squirt bottle, pre-treat it with this. Immediately you're going to see it's going to start to break down that mess right here. And I'm going to do this, pretend I'm the washing machine. As I shake this right here, you see how that water is changing a little bit of color?
I love the live demo.
Reacting to the tannins inside of here. So in seconds, when we take this out, that red wine stain is going to be gone and gone for good.
And there it is. There it is. Boy, that's good.
Isn't that awesome?
So that could be, again, let's just reiterate in the last minute. Laundry detergent.
Yes.
A dishwasher detergent. Bathroom cleaner. Keep on going.
Yeah, I mean,
carpet cleaner.
Carpet cleaner. It can be for your hard surfaces, for your windows. It's not going to leave streaks behind. It helps tackle hard water stains, soap scud. And just to put in perspective, we all know these orange boxes right here. This is almost 3 pounds from them. 68 loads of laundry. This is 136 inside of here.
Nailed the live demonstrations, Kylie Watts.
Thank you.
As 500 people are shopping right now, give me the backstory again, where this came from.
So one of the most incredibly influential people that created cleaning products that revolutionized the cleaning world came out of retirement to make this. Have one product, one formula, and one clean for multiple surfaces of your house. So this is red wine and coffee on here.
Yeah.
And you can see it literally cuts through that mess right away.
It's great.
I just blot it up, and I mean, it is awesome. I used this on a coffee stain that was about a week old because I was on vacation and my better half spilled a cup of coffee. I didn't think anything was going to take it out, and the Powerizer did the job.
Sold. I'm sold on this. Powerizer, multi-purpose, laundry, dishwasher detergent. And if you listed the things, we'd have to get a new graphic because it does a lot. It's brand new. So try it out. 30-day return policy. All I do is just get this bag and mix it with regular water.
Regular water. That's it. It's a highly concentrated formula. A little bit goes a long way, makes it incredibly economical. You're not going to want to be without this once you try it at home.
Good to have you here. Great demo.
To be here.
V89986. V89986. That's the item number. Today's special value update. Hey, I love this. So the gold medal deals